Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Huobi develops investment behavior management regulations to prevent insider trading. The Fed may cut interest rates by 50 basis points next month. Bank of Japan will begin CBDC experiment in early 2023. The DBS Bank completes intraday repurchase transaction on a blockchain-based network. Over 50% of Bitcoin addresses are now in the red. Now, let's dive into the details. Huobi develops investment behavior management regulations to prevent insider trading. As was updated in the previous article of CoinCu News, due to lax management, power is concentrated in the hands of a management department, pushing Huobi into the whirlpool of death. According to Wu Blockchain, to regulate transactions on the platform and employees' investments and prevent insider trading, rat warehouses, and other acts, regulations governing investment behavior of Huobi Group employees was built. It will go into effect on November 23, 2022. Fed may cut interest rate by 50 basis points next month. According to the Wall Street Journal, their discussion at the meeting, described in the minutes of the meeting released Wednesday, suggested they could slow the pace of rate hikes by 0.5 percentage points or 50 basis points at their meeting next month. A majority of Federal Reserve officials favor an early slowing of rate hikes, even as some warn that monetary policy will need to be tighter than expected next year. Raising the base rate by 0.75% points for the fourth consecutive month shows that officials' campaign to quell rising inflation has been somewhat effective. Bank of Japan will begin CBDC experiment in early 2023. To stress test a central bank digital currency, or CBDC, the BOJ will collaborate with a number of unnamed financial institutions. The functionality of deposits and withdrawals, as well as what transpires without internet access, will be tested. The central bank will begin working with private banks and other groups in the spring of 2023. The decision to formally adopt a digital yen will be made in 2026. DBS Bank completes intraday repurchase transaction on a blockchain-based network. The deal was closed using JP Morgan's intraday buyback application on Onyx Digital Assets, allowing instantaneous settlements and transaction maturities within hours, as opposed to the standard industry practice of 1 to 2 working days. Investors may lend assets for a few hours without leaving their balance sheets thanks to the Onyx Digital Assets Network, which employs tokens for short-term trading in fixed income markets. Over 50% of Bitcoin addresses are now in the red. According to data from the analytical site Into the Block, the average purchase price of 55% of total Bitcoin addresses is currently less than what their owners paid for them. As a result of the price decline following the collapse of the FTX exchange at the price of $16,156 that Into the Block took its most recent snapshot, which results in 44% being in the black and only 1% being at break even. However, the figure is different from the aforementioned analysis in that more than 50% of Bitcoin buyers are losing money, and this means that a lot of people have more than one address in their wallets. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.